In this video, I'm going to share some simple steps for anybody who wants to learn to love salads by creating healthy, balanced meals in a jar, and give you a few examples of how I learned to love salads too. By the end of the video, my goal is to have you thinking three things. Number one, making healthy salads in a jar looks easy to do, and I can pretty much add any ingredient I like. Number two, if I make a few all at the same time, I'll have 3 to 4 entire meals ready to go in the fridge with no extra effort or time. And number three, I'll be really happy when I can enjoy a refreshing, cool salad for dinner with no prep, no cooking, and no cleanup. So if that sounds good to you, pull up a chair, grab a glass, and join me in my Mediterranean kitchen while we turn a classic 7-layer salad upside down into a totally healthy version of a summertime classic. The 7 layers we'll be building from the bottom up are: number one, dressing. A tablespoon of dressing per person. Since I'm making enough for George and I'm putting in 2 tablespoons. And if it's not enough for dressing lover George, he can always add more when we serve it up. Number two, protein. There are so many choices when it comes to including a layer of protein. Just make sure the layer closest to the dressing is one that'll be okay if it sits and marinates in the dressing for a while. I like to mix it up with either chickpeas or white beans, edamame, cheeses like feta, mozzarella balls, canned sardines, anchovies, salmon or tuna, hard-boiled eggs, or even leftover chicken. Number three, veggies. You already know that veggies make up the biggest part of the Mediterranean plate. So now let's add a layer of some healthy veggies like red bell peppers, corn, and cucumbers. And whatever you've got in the way of veggies, just go ahead and add it. Number four, grains. Now it's time for some whole grains, like the quinoa I'm using today, or farro, orzo pasta, couscous, or your favorite grain. Number five, accents. I love a little tangy bite in my salad, so this is where I start to add a little bit of homemade pickled ingredients like red onion or radish. Number six, greens. We're getting to the top of the jar, so choose from baby spinach, mixed greens, watercress, chopped romaine, your choice. Just keep it on top so it doesn't get soggy. See how easy and fast that was? It's time to transfer them to the fridge, where they'll be waiting for you over the next few days. These salads should stay fresh for 3 to 4 days. Number seven, topping. These are the bits I don't add until I'm ready to plate the salads, so they don't get buried on the bottom, because they're much prettier as a garnish. A sprinkle of crispy onion bits, a pinch of pumpkin seeds or chia seeds, and a dusting of Parmesan cheese. There are all sorts of ways to find support when you want to become your best healthy self. While making videos that I hoped would be valuable to you, I started thinking about other ways I could expand that support, and my new 30-day Kickstart plan and journal came to life. I created this 30-day Kickstart plan and journal to be an indispensable tool to help you follow the Mediterranean diet. So what's in this toolbox? A space to plan your healthy future with smart goal setting. A healthy eating overview of the Mediterranean diet fundamentals. A macronutrient target chart to personalize your plan. Healthy tips and guidelines to help you on the journey. A complete list of all the core Mediterranean diet pantry ingredients you'll want to have on hand. But most importantly, you'll have 30 balanced menu plans for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. 30 journal diary pages to track your progress and help you stay on plan. And when you're ready to take off the training wheels, there's plenty of space to create your own plan and a few resources to help you do it. So grab your copy today and get ready for a new you. But the thing is, there's one thing I left out you're probably going to want to learn, and that's how to make a stellar salad dressing to go with your new masterpiece. So watch this video next to add 3 healthy dressings to your arsenal.